Hello, so welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, kahit na lang ang subscribe button, notification bell. Na-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. So anyway guys, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-follow sa aming page, here is our page, Madam P. Sa Facebook page po. So, please do follow me there. Ma-appreciate ko yan, guys. Mas maganda mag-interact kasi dito sa page dahil nakikita ko yung profile ninyo. I mean, yung mga pictures ninyo, mga nagagandahang mga mukha ninyo, ayan, nakikita ko dito. Sobrang nakakatuwa, no, na ang dami pong sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa akin. Dito rin naman sa YouTube, but, kasi yung iba kasi username lang, so, hindi ako, parang hindi ko, mas maganda yung connection sa page, diba, sa Facebook. So, sana makita ko rin kayo doon. Oh, so anyway, let's start. What do we have here for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? By the way, dyan ka rin pwede mag-inquire ng reading, personal reading. Marami akong mga in-additional or in-add na possible reading. Dati kasi astrological reading lang yan. But if you want, meron na ako ngayon astrological, tarot reading, question, yung three questions, I do have that. And if you want video call, meron din tayo yan. So what we have here for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, you do have here the Six of Swords, the Six of Wands, gusto talaga magpakita. Ito na yung nasa bottom of the deck kanina, Wheel of Fortune. Pero hindi ko siya binanggit kasi kukunin ko na rin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo. Pero lumabas din talaga dito. You do have your Six of Cups. Okay, so there's this 666 angel number for you. So, pwedeng nagpapakita ito sa'yo. And there's number 6 with the lovers. Ayan, Roman numeral 6 ito. So, there's this angel number 6666 for you. So, 6 is about balance. 6 is about pantay na energy, balance energy, and something is telling me na parang ano ba or sino ba yung mga tao na kayang bumalance sa'yo. Okay? Kasi kung hindi ka kayang i-balance or hindi nagiging balance yung connection mo with the person, especially air sign yan, Libra, they find balance. They are the person or people na gusto balance or there's partnership. And alam mo yun pag hindi balance, for example, may kakonect ka or kasama ka, friend ka, na parang hindi kami balance nitong friend na to, masyado siyang ganito, ako masyado akong ganito, hindi kami match. So, you can actually feel that, no? So, being an air sign, gusto mo talaga ng, like, a balance. Like, Six of Swords, nakikita natin yung picture dito ng boat. And, sa bangka, hindi pwedeng hindi balance yung bangka. Mabigat sa kanan. As much as possible, sa gitna ka umupo. So, what does it mean? Sa relationship, kahit pa may marriage, kung hindi rin naman nag-work out, kung hindi rin naman balance, you have to, make changes doon sa relationship to make it balance. Diba? And I can see that the connection here with the Five of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is Roman numeral number 10 yan, And yung Five of Swords is, number 5 numerology is, it talks about big change. Tapos Wheel of Fortune is also big change, unpredictable change. I can feel Uranus energy, like the planet of Uranus. Number 10 is an ending number, so something here need to change. Kailangan mag-end matapos. And I feel like Uranus actually is, the planet for big change, unpredictable change. So I feel like And it is in the sign of Taurus. So, malalaman mo na yung isang person is not for you, lalo na kung nagkakaroon ka ng biglaang pagbabago, like, especially down, pagdating sa finances, pagdating sa beauty, like pumangit ka, babae man or lalaki, LGBTQIA+, whatever your gender is, kung ano man yung mga bagay na pumangit sa'yo, pumangit ang pera mo, finances mo, pumangit ang itsura mo, this is not the person for you. Hindi ito yung person na magbabalance sa'yo. But rather, this person is parang hihilahin ka lang niya pababa. If you feel that in any connection, friends, lovers, well, all you have to do is get out of the situation kasi hindi yan yung magbabalance sa'yo. That's not the right partner para sa'yo. Diba? Oh, I just saw the number 555 as I look at the phone habang ako ay nag-ayos ng upo. So anyway, I just saw the number 555 habang nire-record ko si video. So ano ibig sabihin nun? You have to make changes. No? Kasi alam mo talaga kung nag-work out or hindi ang isang relationship or ang isang connection or ang isang partnership, like maybe with a friend. 'Di ba? You are someone na magaling kang umalis or lumayo, basta-basta maybe with a friend. So, huwag ka matakot pagdating sa love, ganun din. Marunong ka rin lumayo or basta-bastang umalis. Isang beses or let's say isang araw, 2 araw ka lang malulungkot or masasaktan. Some of you, if you're not that air sign, kung mas nangingibabaw sa chart mo, sa iyong astrological chart, of course, iba-iba ang astrological chart natin, at yun ay kalkulado depende sa kung paano ka or kung saan ka pinanganak, kailan ka pinanganak, anong pwesto ng planeta nung time na yon. So, iba-iba ang ating chart. So, lalo na kung nangingibabaw sa'yo ang pagka-Libra or pagka-Gemini or pagka-Aquarius, air sign, you are flighty. Mabilis para sa'yo umalis. But some of you, of course, sasabihin hindi ang hirap nga mag-move on. Well, maybe hindi air sign ang nangingibabaw sa chart mo. Kaya may pagkakaiba ka dun sa ibang air sign. So, ito, advice sa'yo ito. No? Ibig sabihin, you just move on. Let go. Kasi alam mo na sa sarili mong hindi kayo balance ng tao. Why would you, di ba, bakit ka sasakay sa isang bangka na hindi naman balance, na parang rocky, no? Yung hindi smooth sailing kasi hindi balance 'di ba? Ang magiging buhay mo parang laging ganun, pawala-wala, pa di maintindihan kasi this person cannot balance you. 'Di ba? Emotions. You do have here the Knight of Pentacles, the Tower. Yeah, you have to get rid or tapusin. I mean, this is like more like advice para sa iba sa inyo. The King of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Once you get rid out of this person or this connection or this situation, once na in-end mo yan, tapusin mo yan, there's this Queen of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles na paparating sa'yo. This is new money, new sources of income, new love para sa'yo. Knight of Pentacles, this is showing to me as medyo mabagal na connection or hindi siya nagmamadali na connection, but I can see that may pagtitake ng risk. Like, hindi pa nga lang agad-agad mangyayari yung mga pagbabago na gusto mong mangyari, but eventually it will happen. What will happen in the future? King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Okay. Three of Wands, the Nine of Swords, and the Justice card. Death card is here. Well, sa nakikita ko dito, may magandang partnership ako nakikita in the future for you, air sign. Peaceful home. I can see pagta-travel. Pagod. Pagod, pero happy. You know, magandang relationship. I can see also you na makikipagrelasyon or connect either with the old person or may edad or someone na laging pagod, laging puyat, laging stress or hindi man stress but rather pagod. Nakaramdam ako ng malaking pagod dito sa energy ng person na ito. But the Three of Wands, you will be welcoming this personal judgment. Ito, napakaganda. Mag-o-open yung mga bagong opportunity para sa inyo and magiging masaya. But there's this Nine of Swords and Death card. I mean, kung hindi mo i-end yung isang bagay, yung isang relationship, yung pag-iisip dito sa person na to, na parang nahirapan ka na, nabibigatan ka na, ayaw mo pa, hindi mo pa ma-let go, I can see problem if you will not do something about it. So, kung ka pa nakakaalis sa situation na yan, relasyon na yan, or what, tas alam mo hindi naman na okay, this is the sign for you. You need to get out of the situation kasi problema lang ang dala niyan sa'yo. Like, katulad nga nung ibabalik kita doon sa bangka kanina. Kung hindi mo ilalet ko yung isang tao nagpapahirap, nagpapabigat sa'yo, or nagpapagulo ng buhay mo, there's a tendency for you to fall, mahulog, or masira yung bangka, magulo, or it's not smooth sailing. So, let go. Diba? Ano pa sasabihin ko? Thank you for watching. Again, sa mga gusto mo pubok ng reading, sa early part ng video na to, sinabi ko yun. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.